Alrighty, everybody. Well, I'm in the workroom, obviously, and I found a maybe quick and easy diehard battery charger that I'm gonna tear down. First I gotta get this towel over here because my goofy butt got some grease of some sort from a vacuum cleaner all over my tool that I will be using today, which is just a 1/4 inch screwdriver, because believe it or not, there's a 1/4 inch bolt here, and two on the opposite side, and I've already taken this one almost all the way out. So let's just dive right in. And I've got breakers, I've got copper set in here, I've got fan motors, I got a big piece of copper sitting right there. I got this Husky bag so I can throw a few things in it and take it to the scrapyard one day, maybe. I don't know. I might just go in there with a couple pounds of copper, maybe a couple pounds of brass, and just see what we get for it. I might do that if I have everything that I need for it. I might do that every week. I might take a little bag of something in. You never know. But I figured I'd come to you and bring you this tear down real quick. And let's see. This side's dirty. Maybe it was because it was on the table. I don't know. But let's get these out of here. And then this top should lift off. And we'll get to see what's inside of it. Oh. And I'm not gonna do any editing. I might have to throw it together if I accidentally hit the pause or stop button. But other than that, I'm gonna give you the raw version of what this is all about. And yeah, let me grab you up and bring you over here, because I don't know if I'm gonna tear them out tonight. How does this thing come off of here? Okay, hold on 1 second. Oh, there's a 1/4 inch on the bottom of the front of it. Right there. I don't know how I missed that, but let's get it off of there. I was wondering why it was being so stubborn. Now we know. When you forget a screw, anything can be stubborn. Oh my goodness. Let me go out to the other room and grab my snaps. I'll bring you with me. Maybe we'll get a glimpse of teddy bears. What's Teddy doing? Teddy, you're all dark over here in the corner. let's turn some light on. Hi, Teddy. What you doing, buddy? You waiting for Daddy to get done in the workroom? Well, give me a few minutes and I'll be done. So, there's Teddy. This bucket has all sorts of goodies in it. I just have to go through it and sort it out. So even though I got rid of all that shred metal, I still got metal to go. I got cans and bottles to return. Probably do that on Tuesday. Excuse me. Let's see if this is copper on copper. Because if it is, I guess I'm going to be stripping some copper. Let me get my hand to cooperate with me. Difficulties. I don't know. We might have got skunked on this one. Yeah, you see that metallic look on it? That's aluminum. But if I take it off of there, I can take it in for aluminum prices. Maybe that's just the way the light's hitting it. Let's pull it out and see. That might be copper. This, it's shiny, so that's definitely aluminum right there. I don't know. What would you guys do? You tell me down in the comments. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up and share me out if you feel up to it. And as always, stay blessed and have a blessed night.